Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say الجزائر. The Arabic name of Algeria is a country in North Africa on the Mediterranean coast, and it is the largest Arab country by area. The capital is Algiers. Official languages are Arabic and Berber, and the currency is the Algerian dinar. Algeria is known for its diverse geography from the Sahara Desert to mountains and Mediterranean coastline, as well as its rich history and culture. الجزائر 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 الجزائر. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.